Forget the hassle of juggling multiple systems. Imagine managing every aspect of your business through one powerful integrated platform. That's the promise of ERPNext. From accounting that keeps your books in perfect order to streamlined sales and purchase management, ERPNext covers it all. Track inventory in real time, take control of manufacturing, and simplify HR and payroll tasks, all within the same system. Effortlessly nurture leads and relationships with built-in CRM. Stay organized and deliver results with comprehensive project management. Manage your assets, generate insightful reports, and oversee dashboards, all from the same connected database. No duplication, no confusion. Just one system, one source of truth for your entire business. Ready to discover how seamlessly ERPNext can work for you? Reach out to Anant Pranali Private Limited for your personal demo. Call +91 9405 882013 or +91 4035 8033. Email contact@anantpranali.com or visit www.anantpranali.com. Simplify your business today with ERPNext.